This will all come together, I hope. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you join the family. I would truly appreciate it for all the love and support. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. So today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do a cut crease again. I haven't done a cut crease in a while because I'm actually really scared of cut crease. I'm just not that great at it, but it is something that I know that I need to practice if I want to get better at it. So yeah, we're going to be doing a cut crease today. I'm not really sure what colors we're going in. I have two palettes in front of me. They're both Morphe, the 305, the 3502, sorry, 35V. The 35V is my favorite palette right now, so I'm probably just going to be in that one the most. But I want this to kind of be a warm look. I tend to really get into like blues and purples, so really cool tone colors. So I want this to kind of be more on the warm tone colors like reds, orange, yellows. There's no yellows in either of these palettes, which sucks because I feel like if I had a yellow, I would probably be in that a lot. But we're gonna go with what we got. So yeah, let's get into this. So I've used concealer and powder to set my eyes, and I'm just going to go right into this. I'm going to take a fluffy, this is a crease brush. It's not too fluffy. It's fluffy enough for the crease. And starting with the 3502 palette, just to make sure that I'm not like stuck in that realm of cool colors. I'm going to go in with this color right here and put that right into my crease. Now, a reason that I feel like I'm really bad at doing cut crease is because my crease is right there. You can see right there. So I don't have a lot of lid space to work with when it comes to doing my eye makeup. I have all this that gets covered, and it makes my makeup look a lot more dramatic than I intend on having it. But that's just how it turns out because of my eyes. So if you have eyes like me, this is called hooded eyes, like it's a little hood over my eyes, you understand how difficult it is to really perfect a cut crease. But I'm going to show you guys what I've learned and how I've attempted to make it work for myself, so you guys can have the same success, I guess. Next, I'm going in with the M413 M139. I have no idea what I just said. I don't even know where that number came from. This says M139. I promise. This is what brush I'm going in with from Morphe. And I'm going to take this reddish color, this very red color right here. And I'm going to go kind of in my crease again and more on the outer corner. So starting out here and bringing it in. So the key to like having a flawless eye makeup is really to blend it. Like make sure that everything is blending together. Don't let anything have a harsh line. I think that's really important with your makeup, period. Like you just really want to make sure that your makeup is blending and melting into each other. You don't want to have these harsh lines that makes everything look like I can see where you did everything. Like right now you can see where I did everything, but I'm not completely done with my face, so it's going to be like that until I am. And how you blend is all up to you. A lot of people like to do the circular motions. Circular motions don't really, I mean, I try to do circular motions, but I feel like it does nothing for me. Just going back and forth really works for me, so I stick to that. If I'm doing circular motions, it's more on the outside, the outer corner of my eye. But when I'm going back and forth, just go back and forth. So going back to that brush in that same color that we had from the beginning, I'm just going to put this over this red and make sure to blend it. And I'm stopping right here at the thickest part of my brow, so like in the middle of my eye. Now it is time to cut the crease, and I'm gonna go in with this NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector. This is definitely for a way lighter skin than me, but to cut my crease, I want it lighter because I want the colors to pop and be vibrant when I cut my crease. So I'm just gonna take this small angled brush from e.l.f. This is a very small angled brush. Now, okay, here are some of the things that I've learned. So some people take their concealer and they will put a dot of the concealer like right there and then look up. I put my head down and look up as much as I can. Okay, I didn't get enough on there, I guess. It's not working. So that, like, but it's supposed to leave like a mark of where you could create a crease. Another thing that I have started thinking about is my brow bone. Like, you can feel your brow bone, and I know that's kind of high, but that could be a place to mark your crease, to create the cut crease situation. But I mean, it's not that high, but yeah, just it's like pretty much right above where my other mark is. So like right there where you can feel your bone and feel your socket start to go in, that's where you could start to create a crease. Don't jam a brush in your eye, please. I don't want to be liable for anybody getting hurt because you're jamming a brush in your eye. Don't do that. If you need to feel, just kind of take your finger and feel where your brow bone is. Don't go jamming a brush in your eye. Like, that's not necessary. So that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, okay, of course I look silly right now, but this will all come together, I hope. This crease looks better than this one, but it happens. It happens. It's okay. We'll get it together. We'll fix it. It'll look good. They'll both look good. So I want this cut crease to kind of have two colors. So I'm going to go in with this pinky color that I used in my New Year's look. So if you've not seen that video, you should really go and check that out. This is Three Little Words, I believe this is called. Yes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, this says it's a blending brush, but this is very dense, like it's very firm. So I'm going to take this color, this brush, and I'm going to put that into the inner corner. And I'm just really patting it in. And I want to get to like half of my lid and then just kind of start stippling it out so that it'll blend with the next color. So now I'm going to go in with the same brush. I'm going to go in with this shimmery, this foiled red color right here, and pull that all the way and make sure that's kind of blending. It's not really showing up foily. I'm just going to blend these out. I'm going to take my finger and blend these. Okay, I don't know why I have the urge to do this, but I'm going to take this Luxie 243 brush, and I'm going to dip into this brown color in my 35V. This is In the Zone, and I'm just going to go above my cut crease and kind of blend that in there. So now I'm gonna do something a little weird. I'm just gonna throw this color off, like this look off completely. I feel like I failed, so I'm just gonna be trying anything at this point. I feel like this is a total fail. Like, I give up. So I just want to try something. I'm kind of just playing in makeup right now. It might turn out really nice, but we don't know. So I'm going to take this blue liner from L'Oreal, and I'm going to put this over here. I wish I had a different color. Actually, I wish I had like glitters. You know what? I have a white eyeliner. I'm going to use that one instead. I have two white liners, Let's see which one works, and try this. If this doesn't work, I will try a glitter situation. I'll try something with glitter. But we're gonna go over this. Okay, that one's not working. I feel like this is just picking up the color. You guys are getting to see me just be absolutely ridiculous right now. This is a little annoying that it's not working how I wanted it to. I will not lie. I'm getting a little frustrated, so I need to calm down. I should have just did the blue. Let's see what happens. So we're definitely not going to get a real look out of this today. So I'm just going to keep acting a fool and playing with it and seeing what happens until something good happens, I guess. This is why I don't do cut crease. I feel like it makes everything really difficult in a way that it doesn't have to be. So our lesson for today is that every look is not going to work out. I need to clearly practice my cut crease. I'm not that great at it. Maybe I should follow a cut crease idea instead of just trying to free ball it, because that's what I was doing. I was trying to just do whatever I wanted, and it's clearly not working. We look a mess right now. Foundation was bomb. Contour was bomb. Like, all of that was great, but these eyes just did not do it. So I'm gonna stop wasting makeup, because that's essentially what I'm doing. I'm just sitting here playing with it and wasting product that, to be honest, I can't even afford. So we're gonna stop playing with it. We're gonna stop messing with it. I don't mind that this video didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to, because honestly, every look is not going to work out. Everything that you try is not going to work out. So I guess this was supposed to be like a lighthearted. This was not on purpose. I promise it was not on purpose. I really do suck at cut crease. I just need to get better at it. So that will be something that I do. Maybe I should make a series out of it. Just kind of like have a section on my channel where I just attempt to do cut crease. Maybe I will follow cut crease. I don't know if I'll follow tutorials or just a picture, but yeah, this didn't work out. This just, I don't even know, like, that's where I am, like, artistically. I never know what I'm gonna be doing when I sit down to start filming with you guys. I just know that I want my look to look good. Like, I want to feel good about it, and I normally do. Sometimes I do things, like I did a cut crease one time and it turned out really nice, and I just was not, I don't know, I guess I just wasn't into this as much as I thought I was when I started it. So I don't know. This did not turn out how I wanted it to. I would never wear this anywhere. I hope nobody's looking at this like, oh, that's so unique. Like, don't say nice stuff just to make me feel good. Like, this was crap. But yeah, at least we know that every time you sit down to put on your makeup, it's not going to go flawless. You are going to have issues. Things are not going to turn out the way you want them to, but that's perfectly fine, because at the end of the day, you practice, you know, you're learning, you're figuring out where you're going wrong. So that's what this channel was. This was supposed to be me figuring out how to do things and teaching myself and learning how to do things. And I am learning that freeballing a cut crease is just not for me. Sometimes it's a hit or miss for me. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's really bad, sometimes it's excellent, but when it's bad, it's bad. So yeah, I had fun though. I had fun trying. I had fun trying to figure this out. I really did want it to be a good look, because I was kind of cute today, so I wanted it to work out, but it just didn't. So yeah, if you guys like this video, let me, I don't know why you would, but if you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that button. You will see much more videos like this. Me being crazy, me being silly, me being myself. Yeah. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you never miss a posting. What's funny is in my camera, it looks really good. I don't know if it's because it's small and I can't really see it, but it looks good. So I guess from a distance, no matter how your makeup looks, it looks good. But this don't look good. Yeah. I love you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.